ஹலோ பண்ணுங்க டைம் காட்டு 25
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible? Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Meenakshi, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all for this webinar on placement opportunities in animation field on behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. At this juncture, I would like to thank our management, our principal, Dr. Ananta Achari, for his great support. I'm very happy to welcome our head of the department, Dr. M. Indra Devi, for her consistent guidance in all our academic activities. I heartily welcome our resource person, Mr. J. Ponkarthik, who is our alumnus 2008 to 12 batch and now working as senior level 3D animation artist in Studio 56 Limited, Bangalore. I thank him for his valuable presence and for his consent to deliver his technical ideas in animation field. I welcome the faculty members of the Department of Computer Science Engineering for their great support. Above all, my dear student participants, I cordially welcome you all for this webinar. I hope this webinar would definitely will give an insight knowledge in the field of animation industries. Once again, I welcome you all for this webinar. And now let me hand over the session to Ponkarthik.
Hello.
Hello, Ponkarthik. Hello.
Do you hear me? Is my voice is audible?
I have handed over the session to you. You please carry on.
Yeah. Is my voice is audible?
Yeah, it is audible.
Oh, okay.
Let me mute myself.
Yeah, okay. Good morning to all. I hope you all guys are safe in home, in quarantine. As like I am Ponkarthik. I am working as a senior 3D animation artist at Studio 56 Bangalore. Today we are going to see about what are all the opportunities is having in animation field. First of all, I have to thank my college and my staff. They gave me freedom while I am studying there to design a website for the national level symposium DSPRIT for 2010 and 2011. From that, they gave a chance for video editing also to present our department to all when I am in 2008 to 2012. Okay, shall we enter into our session? Okay, today, first, before I am saying about the placement opportunities, I will say about what are all the departments available in this so that you guys can aware of it. If you want, you can take note of it because it may useful to others also, maybe your neighbors or school friends. First, it will start from character design. Then that character design 2D image, they will convert to 3D model. For the 3D model, they will give texturing and they will give bone and we will start as animation, then post production, that is VFX. I will let you know in this department what they will do. But after my field animation, I don't know about the post production. It will have like lighting, compositing, rendering, and color correction, maybe like green screen removal. But I am not aware of that because they won't let me in the post production. We will see only in output, like final output only. And at last, I will show my shot in a movie that I worked in. The movie name is Vic the Viking and the Magical Sword. First of all, the character design. The character design is like this is a first creative job. When you start the TV series or a movie, or if you want to create your own character, uh, it should tell a story. Where he is from, what is his age, whether he is have a family, um, what is his environment. Like that, we have to analyze and we have to create a story. And I will show you that. Um, wait. Yeah. See this. While they are creating this character itself, they will mention uh, why he is wearing the hat, why he is look like, what props he have, what material the props had. That all the things will tell the story. For example, we can take for Indian animation, we can take the Chota Bheem and the Laddu. We can take the prop as a Laddu. What is the relationship between Chota Bheem and a Laddu? If he eats, he will get strength. Where the Laddu is comes from? His friend Chutki, right? Who will make that Laddu? Her mother, that aunt name. I don't know that. Okay. Like that, we have to create the story when we are creating the character. After that, create in production side, um, director and producer will come to our studio. They will sit with the artist and they will say, these are all the things the character should have, or the hero or the heroine should have. Based on that, we will create a character. If they approve that, it will move to next one called character turnaround. Oh, okay, it's not loading. Yeah, see this, it's a character turnaround. Um, in character turnaround, they will create like front view, side view, back view, and perspective view. After this, it will move to 3D modeling. That I said is 3D modeling. What they will do, they will take this front view image, side view image, and perspective view image. They will create a 3D model. That also I will show you that. Yeah, see this. Like I will say some basic things alone. See this. This is a side view and back side. This is a front view. Based on that, they will create this model or the face like this. At last, when it become a 3D model, it will be in this gray color. We will say like a grayscale image, grayscale model. We will say like this. After this, it will move to texturing. In this texturing, based on the material, the character having, uh, this artist will do texture to that character. If the character is using that heavy cloth, based on that, they will give that kind of material over there. And if you having that small soft ball, based on that also they will give, like when you are seeing that iron material, plastic, based on that they will give that material texture to that prop or the character. And I will show you how they will work. Actually, this is a base model. This is a base model. From this only, they will create a mesh, and they will give the detailing over there, sculpt over there for the model, and it will come like this. And this is a wireframe. Whenever you want to be a modeling artist, they if the showreel must have this wireframe. It shows that faces, no, all faces should have that four sides. None of them it has like three or two like that. All have four. These are all the giving details over the sculpting. And this is like based on human model, how height will be there, we have to take. And this is that texturing. They will unwrap all the mesh like this. Unwrap all the mesh like this, and they will put the texture image over there. This is how the texture will work. This is how the texturing will work. And after this texturing, the major part, one of the technical part is rigging. Rigging is nothing but they will add, one second. They will add bones to the character. It will be like this. Based on the human bone structure, they will add these bones and they will give control like this, like that red color, green color kind of thing. No, that is a control. With this character only, we will start animating these puppets. I will show you one of the showreel how they will test the rig, so that you can know about that also. See this? These are all the controls that rigging artist will give based on the bones inside the character. And these are, we animation artists will work like this. How far it extending, how it's working. Based on this rigging only, we can like plan our shots, how we can do. One second. Who is that? Okay. Actually, we have to animate these all kind of things. Based on this rig support, how long we can move, we can plan nice to that, like this. Who is that? Okay. Then after that, my field, it's like animation. Its layout is like a side part. Uh, what the artist will do is they will set the scene file with the characters and the camera, how far it is. And this animation, my field, it's like we are giving life to the characters based on how the situation is, uh, what's going on around. Based on that, we will do this animation. Uh, I will show you one of Jeff Capley is my friend. He did this animation, and I will show you how he did it. Actually, we will do by three process. First of all, blocking, then spline, then polishing. In blogging, we will do based on the dialogue or some kind of things that is affecting the character. We will give the poses that we will say as a key poses. Only the key poses will be there. And the spline, no, it's like we will smooth all the thing. So it will be like floaty thing. And in polishing, we will like polish all the thing, how the character is behaving and timing the character, all the thing. In my field, it's like um, short. We will go to acting room where we will act based on their dialogue. We will go with the sequence of shots so that we can aware of what the character is facing the situation there. Uh, we will go there and we will act it out more than 20 times, 50 times, and we will show to creative head or supervisor. They will give corrections in that, and we will go and start to do the shot. And we have to show all the things like blogging, spline, polishing. Each and everything we have to show to TL supervisor. Once they approved only, we have to go to the next step. Okay. Yeah, I will show you how they will act before the camera based on this. Wait. Actually, these two cameras is based on this character who is talking, and this back camera is only for lip sync. He is using for this dialogue, and this thing is for this character. Red color character. Actually, we used to take this kind of things in different angles, how we can make this thing good before the camera so that we can do it in the in our shot. Based on this acting also, they will give corrections before starting our shots. This animation artist, we animation artists, we have to bring the feeling of the character, how he feels, in each and every situation, whether he is happy, whether he is sad, anger. And while creating a character, this first character design, uh, these directors and producers, they will decide how he will get happy, how he will laugh. That same thing he will laugh in the whole series, and how he will get sad. The whole thing they will give. Based on that, we will animate all the things. And those who are want to enter into this, and one more thing I want to say, in animation also, it's like I am using the script skills. Like in we will use like two scripts, Mel and Python, so that it is very useful to get my job done easily. And one more thing, uh, if your neighbors or you guys are want to come into this field, uh, if you have a degree, you can apply for the diploma course, or you can do for or others, while they are entering into their college life, they can do BFA or BA course. The difference between the BA and BFA course is like, if you want to go in truly into the 2D, you can go into BFA, so that you can draw. And the whole thing, it's like drawing. It's BA means it's like the whole thing will come along with the drawing. And in college life, uh, they will teach you all the thing, from the character design to the VFX. All the thing they will teach you, but you guys should know in what field I can specialize with it, so that in that field, what I can achieve in that, what you guys can achieve in that, right? uh, and I will show you my story, my resume also, so that you guys can get idea how you can apply for that. This I created before 2 years. This will be your name, phone number, anything else, and what you are going from, right? And this one, what you are working in this, whether it's a series or a movie, like this. And education, see, I did Bachelor of Engineering in KCET, and I did Diploma in Animation in Ziga at Chennai for 1.5 years. And you can achieve use this achievements also in enter your achievements also. And I added this, that they college gave me freedom to do this poster and website design. That's it. If you want, you can note this. And you have to if you want to come in this art, just you be aware of that all fields, so that you guys can choose which field you can choose, and you can get shine in that field. And I will show you the future of animation. That too, it will come in VR. I will show you that also. Now it's kind of developing, this kind of developing. See this. You can rotate here and there in each and every shots. This is a VR animation. Actually, this VR animation is some of the artists is getting into it. Some Disney artists are started using this. Soon we can expect this VR animation. Okay. Then I worked on the movie. No, I will show you some shots in that I worked.
Participants, 1 second. If you want to raise any questions, you raise your hand and it will be automatically answered by our resource person, and you'll get unmuted, and you are allowed to speak directly with our resource person.
Yeah, it's nice idea. Wait, I will show my shots first. Yeah, this fight sequence I did. I will show you that. This whole sequence I did. And I will show you on this shot that my other artist. This two guys fight I did. I will show you that. Yeah, this shot, this I did. From this shot I did. This one also. That's all. This is the final shot I did in this movie. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask me so that I can explain.
Karishma Fazarina, she has raised a hand. If you want to answer,
okay.
I have unmuted.
Yeah, okay.
I have unmuted. Kazarina?
Yeah.
Sorry, Karishma Fazarina. If you are interested, you can unmute yourself. Okay, let me go to Arbin Kamal Kalita. I think Pon Karthik only can able to unmute.
Oh.
In attendees, okay. You are having so many attendees, no? You can unmute and answer their questions.
It's showing only 3 names.
If you scroll down, then you can see all the names.
It's showing only 3 names. That's why I'm asking. Your name, Maharajodi, and my name is showing.
In attendees section, you'll be having all the names. In attendees.
I am in attendees section only. It's showing 101, but it's showing in staff only 3.
Yes, I have unmuted Arun Xavier Raj. Arun
Okay.
Xavier Raj, if you want to speak, you can speak to resource person. Arun Xavier Raj. Are you there, Arun Xavier Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Arun Xavier Raj, do you want to ask any question to the resource person?
Illa, ma'am.
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me call another participant,
Yeah.
Pinky Ben Nenwani. I have unmuted you. Pinky Ben Nenwani, if you want to speak with resource person, you can carry on.
So just I want to know that do we require any kind of skill to learn this animation?
Yeah, you need skill to learn this.
So that is approx
That's
how much time we require.
that's why I told if you have a degree, you can apply for the diploma course. If the school students just now they finished the 12th or 10th now, they can apply for a BFA or a BA course.
Okay, thank you,
So
sir.
that yeah.
Okay, let me unmute Madhumita.
Yeah.
Madhumita, I think she is not online.
Okay.
Let me unmute Melanchia Violet. Melanchia Violet, are you there? Melanchia? Melanchia Violet. Melanchia?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
If you want to ask any doubt, you can directly speak with our resource person.
No, ma'am. I have no doubts.
Okay, thank you. Ramesh. Ramesh, yes. Ramesh, yes, I am unmuting you. Ramesh, yes, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me,
You
sir?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Sir, actually, what is the main difference between 3D modeling and texturing, sir?
3D modeling, it's like they will create a model like this. I showed the video, right? Yeah. See this? This is a model.
Okay, sir.
This is a model of the character. Okay. It will be like this grayscale touch, like the gray color. Texture means, and we can add details also while we are modeling, like that wrinkles, all kind of things.
Okay, sir.
And this is a texture. Texture is like giving tone to the model, like what color I am, whether I have a scar on it, like that.
Okay.
This is while texturing, we will unwrap all these 3D model into like a sheet of paper, and we will apply this texture like this in this. And this texture now we can create by Photoshop or some photo editing things, and we can upload into the software that we are using for texturing.
Okay.
And we can use 4K texture also to the character, so that we can view as a like a reality, like you will see in Jungle Book movie, like a kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Participants, I have sent the feedback over chat window. If you click the feedback link, you'll be provided with a Google form, and once you fill it and submit, you'll be getting your participation certificate directly through to your mail itself. Okay. And now let me unmute Mr. Srinivasan Govindarajan. Sir, you can directly speak with the resource person. Srinivasan Govindarajan. I think he is not available. Sir, Srinivasan sir. Srinivasan sir, are you there? Okay. Let me move on to Surender Selvaraj. Surender Selvaraj. I could not able to unmute him. I don't know what's the problem with this set.
Okay.
Okay. Let me unmute Tikil Raj. That is also not possible. I think his mobile. Yes, I have unmuted.
Okay.
Tikil Raj, are you there? You can unmute yourself and talk.
No
Yes.
doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, I want to share you things. While choosing your career, just think 1,000 times whether it is suitable for you in future, whether you can achieve in this field. Just think and take step. Okay. Thank you. While you are working, the job satisfaction should also be there. While you are coming from the office, just you can feel I achieved something, like that. You can feel something. So think many times to choose your career. Okay. Anyone else? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, is coding knowledge is definitely required for this field, sir?
No, but I developed my skill in that because I don't want to waste my 4 year studies in engineering. No, so I developed my skills. Only two for animation. We use only two, Mel and Python. Nothing about that. I don't want to waste my engineering skill also. That's why.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can I learn from YouTube videos or any other app is available for learning this?
You can learn from Udemy, but once you get job inside the office, no, at that time only you can learn many things. Until then, you can learn like so much things. After entering to the office only, I started learning like how to finish my job within the deadline. All the things you
Is
will learn
certificate
when
is
you enter
required,
into
sir?
the job. Yeah, certificate is required based on what course you did, whether it's a diploma or a degree, like a bachelor degree. You can.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Maharajodi, are you online? Maharajodi? Maharajodi, are you online? I think there is a connectivity problem with Maharajodi's line.
Yeah.
And I'm extremely thankful to our resource person and our alumnus, Mr. J. Ponkarthik, for his wonderful session on placement opportunities in animation field. Definitely, on behalf of all the participants and on the behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I'm thankful to you. And we like to have so many sessions with you like this, so that it will bring very good insight, knowledge on.
And I want to say one thing. Because of this work from home, I can't able to prepare so much things. Sorry for that.
No problem. This is an introduction session, and so many of our students will definitely get some idea about animation field, and I'm extremely thankful to you for giving this nice presentation. Thank you so much, Pankarthik. Thank you.
Ma'am, am I audible
And
now?
Thank you.
Yes, you're audible, Magarajodi. You can talk.
Yeah, okay. First of all, I'd like to thank my friend Mr. Pankarthik for this valuable speech. Thank you, Pankarthik.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, and I would extend my thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. Ananta Acharya, and our vice principal, Ma'am, Dr. Vasanthi, who motivate us to organize such valuable events. And I also feel proud to thank once again, I thank my best friend and the speaker of today's session, Mr. J. Pankarthik, for his remarkable speech about patient opportunities in animation industry. Once again, thank you, Pankarthik.
Yeah,
And
welcome.
extend my thanks to our head of department, Dr. N. Indra Devi, coordinator Dr. A. Meenakshi, and all the faculty members of our department who helped us to make this event a grand success. And we also like to thank our participants for attending this webinar and sharing your valuable valuables. I thank you all once again, and especially our department feel very thankful. Thank our valuable resource person, Mr. J. Pankarthik. Thank you, Pankarthik.
Thank you.
Thank you, Magarajodi. For the participants, I'll display the form link again in the presentation. Those who are unable to take the link from the chat window, please make a copy of through our presentation, and you can type it in your browser, and you can enter the Google form. If you have finished entering, you can give the submit button, and once you submit, then you'll get the automated certificate in your mail. Now I'll present the link through my screen. Pankarthik, I take over the presentation to myself. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Can I stop the webcam? Stop my webcam.
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, you can stop your presentation. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Participants, you can see the screen and get the feedback link if you could not able to do it through the chat window. This is the feedback link. You can copy this link and paste it in your browser, and if you give enter, you'll have a Google form, and once you fill it and give submit, then you'll get a certificate automatically, and this link will be available only for 1 hour. Also, you can get this link from chat window. In the chat window, I have given this link. You can copy or directly click that link to submit your feedback form. Okay, thank you so much. We like to have so many webinars like this, and we like to upgrade ourselves in giving some better webinars, and we like to have your support. And on behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I thank you all the participants. Thank you.